Dear students, this is Dr. Srinivas, Mathematics Professor, and today we are going to discuss about one important information. This is under JNTU Hyderabad R18 batch Mathematics 2. In the last video session we have completed the main important topics of first unit. Now today we are going to discuss about the second unit important topics, and that you can expect the problems in the final semester examination during this COVID situation. And when you think about the second unit of Mathematics 2, the topic is higher order ordinary differential equation. So welcome back to Master Academy of Mathematics. So if you are not in subscriber, better you subscribe it and like it, share it in order to get latest information. So I'm entering into the second unit. It is higher order ordinary differential equations. When you look on to the different topics in second unit of M2, I just give you the different topics here. It is the first topic is when you enter into the higher order ordinary differential equation, the first is nothing but to find YC. That YC we call it as complementary solution. The second part is nothing but to find YP. It is nothing but particular solution of the given higher order ordinary differential equation. And coming to the third topic, this third topic, when you are entering into the third one, it is nothing but method of variation of parameters. And the next one is nothing but it is one more important topic. It is Cauchy-Euler equation. And the last topic is nothing but it is Legendre equation. So these are the main important topics when you are entering into higher order ordinary differential equation. When you look onto the first one, to find YC, that it is very simple method. Only one method is available in order to calculate the complementary solution. Depending on the roots of auxiliary equation, we are having three cases. When the roots are real and distinct, one case. When the roots are real and repeated, second case. And when the roots are complex, it comes under the third case. Based on only those three cases, you can easily calculate YC. Definitely you can expect in the final semester examination paper. And coming to YP, particular solution. This particular solution is calculated when the right hand side of a higher order ordinary differential equation is not equal to 0. So if the right side is equal to 0, we are able to calculate only YC. If it is not equal to 0, you are coming to YP. That YP can be calculated in different methods. I just give you the different methods of this YP. One is, we call it as, when the right hand side Q, it is looking like e to the power of AX. This is one way. And one other is, when the right hand side it is looking like either it is sin AX or it is cos AX. This is one more way. Third one is nothing but when the right hand side it is looking like x to the power of k. And fourth one is nothing but when the right hand side it is looking like e to the power of ax into v. And one more fifth one is nothing but when the right hand side it is looking like q equal to just it is x into v. And one more is there, it is when the right hand side it is looking like x power k into v. These are the overall 6 different procedures in order to calculate YP. Remember, in the final semester examination, definitely among these 6 different methods, you are expecting one problem. One problem means both A bit and B bit among these 6 different methods. You just focus on these 6 so that you can easily attempt one question with A and B in the final semester examination paper. Okay, now that is about your YP. Coming to method of variation of parameters, definitely you are going to expect this is one problem, that too in a bit. Guarantee you can expect a problem, method of variation of parameters, one a bit. And among this Cauchy-Euler equation and Legendre equation, you can expect another bit which is nothing but b bit in the second problem. Remember, during this COVID situation, overall 8 questions they are going to give you. Out of 8, you are answering only 5. And from first unit, second unit, third unit, from each unit you are expecting 2 problems. And fourth and fifth units you are expecting only 1 problem. So in the last video session I have given from the first unit 2 important problems where you are expecting the problems that I have given. In the second unit you are expecting only 2 problems. That 2 problems can be calculated, can be obtained, can be expected from among these 6. 1 problem A and B bit. The next second problem A bit from method of variation of parameters and B bit from Cauchy-Euler equation and Legendre equation. So overall you are expecting 2 problems from the second unit by using these important topics. You just focus on it and definitely you will get a maximum score in mathematics. Okay. So in the next video session we can directly enter onto unit number 3 so that I just give you the different clues how to attempt your examination paper. Have a good day.